Pemandangan yang bagus kamar dan kamar mandi bersih, senang menginap di sini. Enak-enak suka. Excellent for medium-size family, comfortable as groceries at ground floor. Laundry also available. Facilitas bagus secara keseluruhan bagus. Best unit for staycation around Cimbulut. Nicholas was extremely accommodating from the booking process until we checked in. This was a big plus. The rooms were clean, very comfortable. Master bedroom view, cannot be beat. They even provided extra mattress in the other 2 rooms. Would definitely send a friend here. Good stay, good place. Bathroom need improvement BTW. Surely will come again. Best cleanliness, cozy and comfortable. Location not far from the center of city. The owner also kind and helpful. Good apartment, self check-in. Easy. Clean. Nice view. Nice owner. Best value for money, nice to stay and very comfortable. Best way to spend your money on place to stay. The location is pretty strategic, where you can go to the town just in couple minutes. Good environment, also there's Alpha Express, convenience store. Not forgetting the service which are very supportive and helpful. It's very healthy on my pockets for college student like me, smiley face. Exceptional, very clean, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Comfy and best view of Bandung. I went here with a group of 5, it was a really nice stay. The view from my room was absolutely breathtaking, really enjoyed my stay. Exceptional, nice place to stay for family, the host is very helpful. Thank you. Exceptional, it's the best for big family to staycation in Bandung, enough facilities and we'll be back here soon. Exceptional, a good place to stay. I felt comfortable to stay here. Very recommended. Affordable, sangat worth it. Recommended for family. This apartment best choice for bring family or friends. Good view from master bedroom.